How to enable or disable calendar events and reminders, alarms and sounds during Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now swipe down at the top and tap on the Settings icon. In Settings, we now go down and tap on Notifications. After that, scroll down, then tap on Do Not Disturb. From here, scroll down and tap on Alarms and Sounds. Then on the last two toggle buttons, tap on Calendar Events or Reminders to allow or don't allow the alarms and sounds for calendar events or reminders. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.